It's the most exciting day of the year for me and the most dreaded day of the year for my neighbors. That's right, it's the New Year's fire alarm sounding. Let's get started. Well, 2019 was a great year, and like all great years, it should always end on a really good note. It's Fire Alarm Palooza time once again. Here we go. Here we have the biggest sounding that I think I've ever done in the channel's history. I didn't think I would be able to do it this year, but I managed to do it, which is very exciting. If you look closely, you can see it's in the shape of 2020 with an exclamation mark. So that was kind of fun to do. Everything did go off, I believe. Yes, I don't see any devices that didn't. So that's pretty fun. I did have a couple more that I was going to wire up, but I just didn't. And then the sync module cut out for some reason. I'm not sure why. It likes to be dumb sometimes. Anyway, that was this year's sounding. Thanks so much for watching and for all the support on my channel this year. And I hope you guys enjoyed and liked the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel. See you in 2020.